Do you have auto body damage you're wanting to PDR quickly? Today's epic episode, I'm not uncorking the genie. Instead, I'm uncorking the unicorn bridge puller. I'm going to show you how to cut your repair time in half by dual drilling your dents. No painting. I'm going to get the dent from looking like this to looking like this. Hello and welcome back. I am the Man of Steel. Today we're profiling a Mazda quarter panel. The dent measures 17 inches. It's in the shape of a teardrop crease. This panel was involved in a minor sideswipe collision. You can see the bumper and quarter panel is badly scratched. My goal is to help out auto body techs eliminate the headache of pulling dents. My tool selection for this repair. I'm going to spotlight this dent puller. This unicorn bridge stands 4 feet in length and it will tower over most panels. This is the best PDR bridge on the planet, bar none. This puller I will use 2 attachments and 2 drills. I will be shedding some light on the damage with this LED PDR light. You will need a clean cloth and alcohol for cleaning the panel. I'll be swinging the Man of Steel carbon fiber hammers. I will be practicing my handle with these Ultra PDR rods. I'll be reaching into my toolbox and using the Man of Steel world famous collision tabs. Let's kick this off. Time to roll up my sleeves and get my hands dirty. I'm going to start by spraying down the panel with alcohol and wiping it down with a clean cloth. Now the body panel is clean and prepared for the next step. I'm going to be loading my hot glue gun with the strongest glue on the market. Now I'm reaching for my 2x6 tabs, squeezing glue on the back surface. I'm going to place my tab on the far right bottom corner of the dent, applying light pressure, pressing the tab into the panel. I'm picking up the second tab and going to repeat the process with the hot glue. This tab I'm going to stack right above the first tab, giving the tab light pressure, pressing it into the body panel. My next tab I want to match up to the shape of the dent. Since the dent is beginning to narrow, I'm going to grab a thinner tab. This is my 1.5 by 6 tab. Squeezing glue on the back side of the tab, I'm carefully going to line up the loops of the tab. This is really important so I can run my pull pin through the top row and the bottom row. My 4th tab, I'm going to stack right above the 3rd tab. If you have a question, hit me. Leave a comment or question down below. Do you want me to showcase this method in more videos? Pause the video and leave a comment. This bridge is in place. Check out the sexy stout legs. By using 2 drills side by side, the job is no longer perplexing when the drill's doing all the flexing. The rotational speed of the drill is doing all the pulling quickly and easily. Nice. You're the boss of your time. Time is money. A side note, I want to show you a bonus look. This is a 3-foot vertical dent. Using 2 straps and ratcheting 1 strap at a time will take you 10 times longer. My bridge can pull it under 60 seconds. Leave a comment down below. Do you have a 4-foot bridge that can cover the entire panel? Can your tower pull horizontally? If you're new to my channel, put in the comments that you're a new subscriber and the Man of Steel will personally message you back. Switching back to the horizontal position. Next, I'm going to remove the tabs, leaving the pulling pressure on and squirting the tabs with alcohol. Now I'm peeling off the remaining tabs and the glue residue. Here is the results of the first pull. Straight and even. Next, I'm going to remove the tail light so I can get access for my PDR rods. I will be accessing through the trunk interior and the manufacturer holes. Next step, I'm going to pick up the Man of Steel carbon fiber hammer and knock down, striking down with the hammer, bringing down all the high areas of the dent. I'm going to pilot my PDR tip on the underside of the panel. Once I locate my tool tip with my PDR light, the fun begins by coloring in the low dented areas. The shadows of the dent are beginning to disappear. I'm going to switch sides with my light, bringing down more buckles in the body panel. Next, I'm going to see if I can clean up the scratch. After 20 minutes of wet sanding, I didn't see much results. The customer plans on reshooting the whole car with a fresh coat of paint. Let's put this vehicle back together. I'm going to snap and twist the bulbs into place. Next, I'm lining up the guide pins and pushing the light back in. Before I show you the end result, I want to share the website for these tools. These tools and tabs are 100% write-off. One size fits all. Every time you pick up this tool, it's like an ATM. You keep getting paid. Here is the final results, the before and the after. Time to shut off the lights and close this out. I want to personally thank you for watching. By dual drilling your dents with this 4-foot bridge puller, it will help you cut your time in half. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will be happy to help you on your next dent. The website link is down below. I will see you in my next free video play.